Today, I will share about essential for anesthesia equipment in Operation Theater Room. Welcome to Operation Theater SKR YouTube channel.
Anesthesia equipment is a cornerstone of modern surgical practice, ensuring patient safety and comfort during procedures. At the heart of this equipment is the anesthesia machine, designed to deliver precise concentrations of inhalational agents while maintaining a stable airway. These machines integrate various components, including vaporizers, which convert liquid anesthetics into vapor, and flow meters that regulate the flow of gases like oxygen and nitrous oxide. Ventilators play a critical role, providing mechanical ventilation to patients who cannot breathe independently. They are equipped with advanced settings to adjust tidal volume, respiratory rate, and pressure support, tailored to individual patient needs. Monitoring systems are indispensable, continuously assessing vital signs such as heart rate, blood pressure, and oxygen saturation. These systems provide real-time data, allowing anesthesiologists to respond promptly to any changes. Together, these technologies form a comprehensive framework that supports anesthesia management, prioritizing patient safety and optimal outcomes in the operating room.
Thanks for watching. If you like my video, do subscribe Operation Theater SKR YouTube.